As expected, Zimbabwe President congratulates Tanzanian counterpart after running a sham election, first of its kind in Tanzania. African presidents have failed to condemn authoritarianism, but diplomatically engage like nothing is happening while the continent bends. Salamina mashoko budanyo kopangwa ino ne eleta nyogwa nemtungamiro nyika no subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina this congratulatory message budanyo kwa Your Excellency and dear sister, on behalf of the government and the people of Zimbabwe, the ruling party is NPF, and indeed on my own behalf, I wish to extend my sincere congratulations on your victory in the just concluded presidential elections. Your victory testifies to the trust and confidence that the people of the United Republic of Tanzania have in your visionary leadership and in the policies of the party you lead, Chama cha Mapinduzi. I would like to reaffirm my commitment to work closely with you, Your Excellency, to further strengthen and deepen the strong bonds of friendship and solidarity between our two countries and people. I also look forward to continue working with you at the regional, continental, and multilateral fora on issues of mutual interest and concern. Let me take this opportunity to wish you, Your Excellency, good health and success in leading your great country to prosperity. Please accept, Your Excellency and dear sister, the assurances of my highest consideration. Vyasainiwa aiwa na President Emerson Mnangagwa. Muri Zimbabwe ndozviri kuitika izvi. They are now congratulating each other. Kuyange kune chaos. Kuna social media of Muro eni matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.